Salut Anna. I've got your lesson 5 listening questions. Just this first section is listening, and then you have vocabulary in section 2 and 3. Section 4, you're using partitive article if need be. I've listed them at the top, but it's not sort of, like you can use each article more than once. So it's not as if each of these is only used once. You might not use one at all. You might use one or two twice. All right. Then we have a section where you're finishing a sentence. So just make sure you're using the right partitive if you need a partitive article. And you can look at the list above to remind yourself what those are. So you might need partitive, you might need de. All right, and then pronouns, lui, leur, I, or on. I wrote a little bit about that on Canvas yesterday, and then you have the choice between I and all pronoun. Just rewrite the sentence with the pronoun in place. And your reading. You're choosing from among those 4 possibilities, A, B, C, or D, and that's it. All right, so your questions, back to section number 1, the réponse personnelle. Numéro 1, qu'est-ce que tu prends dans un hamburger? Qu'est-ce que tu prends dans un hamburger? Qu'est-ce que tu prends dans un hamburger? Numéro 2. Dans quelle situation est-ce que tu as beaucoup de courage? Dans quelle situation est-ce que tu as beaucoup de courage? Dans quelle situation est-ce que tu as beaucoup de courage? Et numéro 3, I want you to answer this with a pronoun, either I or on. Est-ce que tu es déjà allé à Paris? Est-ce que tu es déjà allé à Paris? Est-ce que tu es déjà allé à Paris? Voilà. Have a great Thanksgiving break.